I'm dumb as fuck. What's going on YouTube? How is everyone doing? Hopefully fantastic. As you guys saw in the last video, we were troubleshooting the lift pump on this Duramax here. Mine, I guess, whatever. It's my truck. So I have to get my dog from the groomer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this relay that we figured out was probably the cause. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this set up anywhere real quick. The probable cause for the lift pump not working. And if this is the case, I'm gonna see if I can find one at the parts store. It's kind of a weird relay, but there she is. It's like I think the number on it is a 4328B4. I don't know if that's actual, like every relay has like a little identification thing on it. So we're gonna take this, I'm gonna go pick up my dog from the groomer and see if we can get this lift pump working. That'd be one thing scratched off the list for all this stuff I have to do. I know when you guys mentioned I should probably hook up the AC and everything before the drive. I don't know where my other AC line went. So, if it's in storage, I can go and find it real quick at work tomorrow. But if it's not, I'm not really gonna spend the money on it. I'm not too worried about it. It's probably gonna be a hot drive with the windows down, but I love rolling with the windows down anyways, and I don't plan on going Mach 6 to get there, so it's not gonna be a super fast drive. I'm trying to conserve as much fuel as possible, so hopefully we can get it fixed up. If not, we'll just deal with it as it is and see how it goes, because I can live without AC. Getting the rest of the truck ready is really the big deal. So not that it's not really ready, but there's just a few things I want to take care of. So I'm gonna get this relay, go pick up my dog, get hit by a truck, and then we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it fixes it. Like a ninja. Got her all picked up and washed and everything. I'm gonna check this relay real quick just to see if it works, and hopefully it does. And I think she thinks we're going for a ride. So they didn't have the waterproof one like this. They just had a normal one, but it doesn't really matter to me. I just want to see if it works. So we just picked up a normal fuse. It matches, the schematic matches, so everything should be good on it, and hopefully it'll work. And if this is the problem, we'll find out right now. So I'm gonna go throw this in, test the truck, see if we can get it working. All right. So it should be as easy as plugging this in, just like that. So we're all set up. I'll probably, because it's not the right one, I'll probably throw some electrical tape on there or something, or something to kind of keep this in there and waterproof it a little bit, because I don't want it getting all messed up on the drive. But this, like I said, this is just a test, so we shall see if it works. Well, that's a negative. No luck with the fuel pump. So I'm gonna check the wires again right now down at the fuel pump, see if we have power there. Maybe it's the relay again, if it's not the right one specifically, because we had to cross-reference part numbers. So check the power down here, and but it's looking like it's gonna be the motor, so I don't know. Hopefully not, but we'll see. I'm dumb as fuck. End video. No, I'm just kidding. So there's always gonna be something that you forget you did, and it really makes you feel dumb when you figure it out. Figured out why my lift pump wasn't working. Wasn't a relay, wasn't anything else. I have everything plugged in, it works fine. We got fuel pressure. Can't believe I have to say this. I'm gonna test the old relay because I'd rather use it because it's waterproof. But I was going to Mammoth the other weekend, and I was driving the red truck, and the red truck wasn't putting power to the RV, like through the charging system or whatnot. So I took a fuse, not out of the air dog, out of the fuse box. As you can see here, I took out this fuse instead of this fuse, which I took out the stud 1 power instead of the ABS. And the reason I was going to take the ABS one, because it's not working on this truck anymore. Yeah, I took the stud 1 fuse and I swapped it with the ABS fuse, and we're back in business now. It just wasn't putting both power, or both inputs of power to the lift pump. See, this is why you check your fuses. So I was thinking about it. I was looking down, I was like, what am I missing here? What am I missing here? I was like, oh fuck. I took out the fuse for the trailer so we could charge the trailer, because that controls the power to the hitch for the trailer. And someone had put like a 30 amp in the other truck, and it's a 60. So I pulled it out of this truck, put it in that one, not thinking about it. And I meant to pull the ABS fuse because it doesn't work anyways. And yeah, so that is all. My lift pump is good, so that is one huge check in the box for this road trip. I seriously can't believe I did that. So sorry we don't get to do any fun troubleshooting anymore, but I am glad that it was just a fuse that I pulled out because I'm an idiot and I never replaced, and it is 100% my fault. I swear I'm a mechanic sometimes. But anyways guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I don't really have anything else to do now because it's fixed. So like I said, I'm gonna swap the relays back over, make sure they both work, or make sure the other one works. I'll keep this one with me just in case, you know. I already bought it, it was like 10 bucks. So I'm gonna swap it back over, make sure it works, make sure everything's good. If you guys enjoy making me seeing me make a fool of myself, make sure to subscribe, stay tuned, and if you're excited for this road trip and this truck meetup, drop a thumbs up on the video. I appreciate you guys. Don't listen to me half the time. I can build motors better than I can figure out wiring, so that's definitely the case. I fucking hate wiring. So anyways guys, that's gonna do it for today. Enough rambling. I'm gonna go sit inside and think about life for a little bit because that was pretty dumb. So take it easy guys, I appreciate all you, and hopefully we'll see you on the June 22nd Ryan's Diesel Service Truck Show with Truckmaster and Bertrand 850. I'll be out there, hopefully, no issues, and we'll get there. So take it easy guys, we'll see you later.